Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to introduce ourselves with the doubly linked list. In the previous few videos, we have finished the part of the singly linked list, and in that part, we have completed various topics like how to create the linked list, what is singly linked list, how to traverse the linked list, how to print the linked list, how to perform various operations like insertion and deletion into the linked list, right? Into the singly linked list, to be more specific, right? So basically, now from here onwards, we are going to start the discussion on the doubly linked list. Okay, so let's get started. Before going on to the the discussion on the doubly linked list, let's first understand what is difference between the singly linked list and the doubly linked list, right? So actually, doubly linked list are almost same as the single linked list, because in the case of single linked list we have a notion of node, right? So in the case of doubly linked list also we have a notion of node. Okay, we also do traversals in the doubly linked list just like as the single linked list, right? But the difference is that we can traverse the doubly linked list from both the directions. That means from left to right and also from right to left. But in the case of single linked list, if you have studied my playlist or seen my playlist completely or with total focus, and you can understand that we can traverse the single linked list only in one direction, and that is in the direction of links. Okay, in general, we can just traverse the single linked list from left to right, because there is the direction of the link is from left to right only. Okay, we will not be able to traverse the single linked list from the opposite direction, because there is no such links, right? So that we can traverse. But in the case of doubly linked list, we have such facility to traverse it from both the directions. Okay, so this statement, which statement? This statement that we can traverse the doubly linked list from the both directions gives us a hint that what can be the structure of the node, right, of the doubly linked list, and what is the difference between the doubly linked list and the single linked list. So let's just quickly move on to the structure of node here. So if you see here that the node of the singly linked list consists of two parts, one for data and other to store the address of the next node, right? But in the case of doubly linked list, what happens is that there are three parts. Two parts are same, like to store the data, and other is to store the address of the next node. Another part which is extra is there to store the address of the previous node, right? That means if you consider a node, then in that node you will have total of three divisions. First division will be to store the address of the previous node. Second is to store the address of the data, and third is to store the address of the next node, right? So let's just quickly see that how does doubly linked list exactly look like, right? Okay, so here is the representation of the doubly linked list. Okay, so you can see the basic structure of the doubly linked list look like this. So here is the three nodes, and inside the three nodes we have three parts. Here in the middle one I am storing the data, and in the next two I am storing the address. So first one I am storing the address of the previous node. So for this node there is no previous node, so this is pointing to null, right? For this part will store the address of the next node. So address of the next node is 400, so I will insert 400 here. For this node also, this part will store the address of the previous node. So what is the address of the previous node? It is 200, right? So 200 will be filled here. Similarly 600 will be filled here. Similarly 400, and similarly null will be here, right? Now coming back to the node structure, you can see we'll have three parts. Here is the data part which stores the data. Here is the previous part which stores the address of the previous node, and here is the next part which stores the address of the next node, right? And how to define the data type for this node? Of course, here total there are two types of data. One is integer type and second is struct node star type. That's why we need a structure. So a structure look like this. First is to store the data which is in data, and then node star previous and node star next to store the addresses of the previous node and the next node respectively, right? So this is how you represent the doubly linked list, and this is how you do the structure part or define the structure for the doubly linked list, right? And if you do note here that how can we traverse this this doubly linked list from both sides, right? From if you start traversing from here, you can see that the link is made here, right? Link in this direction is already made, so we can traverse it, right? if you start from here also, you can see opposite links are also there, so we can traverse in opposite direction also. So this is the basic difference between the singly linked list and the doubly linked list, right? So the basic difference is that it has three parts in the case of doubly linked list, but in the case of singly linked list it has only two parts, and we can, due to which we can traverse the doubly linked list in both the directions, which in case of singly linked list is not possible at all, right? Okay, so I hope you have understood the doubly linked list. So this was the quick introduction from my side. If you want to know more, then you can refer to the Geeks for Geeks. Okay, and in the next video, I'm going to quickly write the code to implement the doubly linked list. Implementation means that I will be seeing that how to traverse the doubly linked list, how to print the linked list, and how to create the linked list, right? Do note that the traversing linked list, creating linked list, and printing linked list is totally same as that in the case of single linked list. So I will be going fast for this particular module, right? Okay, so I think you have understood it. If not, then you can just go back and check for some sites, or you can again see my video. Okay, and here if you have not accessed my playlist, then you can go to my channel from here, and you can access my playlist on the data structures and algorithms. Okay, so till now I have finished the sorting algorithms, and I have also finished the singly linked list part, in which you can see that I have started from introduction to linked list, and how to traverse a linked list, and singly linked list, then how to print the linked list, right? Implementation, insertion of node in linked list, inserting a node at a specific position, right? And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe the channel and like the video. Hoping for the best from your side. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you and Jai Hind.